In the last session, we have completed admission of a partner by taking problem number 30. In this session, let us start with retirement of a partner. Retirement means a partner leaves the partnership business. Say, for example, A, B, and C are the partner. Of that one, say C, retires. Whatever may be the reason of retirement, maybe his old age, maybe illness, maybe some dissatisfaction among the partners, or any misunderstanding, or done something against the law. Whatever is the reason, when the partner retires, the remaining partners have to pay him his share in the business, because the partner retires. He will not go out of the business with empty hands. He wants his share in the business back. How much is his share is what we calculate when we prepare the partner's capital account. We'll see that when we prepare the account. But before we start with the main problems of retirement, we have to learn what is gain ratio, new profit sharing ratio, and the goodwill entries. As we have done in admission, new ratio, sacrifice ratio, and the goodwill. Same in basic, we'll learn this first and then we'll proceed further. When you talk about gain ratio, what is sacrifice ratio? When the new partner comes in admission, when the new partner comes in, old partners sacrifice their share. Here, there is no sacrifice. Here, there is gain ratio. Say, for example, A, B, and C are the partners. 100 rupees profit, they are distributing as 50, 25, 25. The partner who gets 25 retires. So again, how the 100 will be shared? Same ratio? No. The retiring partner whose share is there 25 will be gained by the remaining partners, by the continuing partners. That is share gain. How to calculate this? A simple procedure. Computation of gain ratios under various cases we learn. First one, when only old ratio is given, no other ratio is given. Only old ratio of the partners is given. A very simple way to find the gain ratio. In this case, when only old ratio is given, the gain ratio of the remaining partners will be the remaining ratio after writing off the share of retiring partner. What is the share of retiring partner? Cancel it from the ratio. After cancelling his share, what ratio remains? That is going to be the share of the continuing partners, the gain ratio. Let's say X, Y, and Z are partners in a firm, sharing profits and loss in the ratio of 4:3:1. X, Y, Z. You are required to show the gain ratio if X retires, if Y retires, third case Z retires. Let's see. If X retires, what is the share of X? 4. Cancel 4. What is remaining? 3:1. The share gain ratio of Y and Z will be 3:1. Very simple. Second, Y retires. Cancel Y share. What is the share of Y? 3. Cancel it. So the share of X and Z will be 4:1. If Z retires, what is share of Z? 1. Cancel 1. So when you cancel this one, what is the remaining? 4:3. So when only old ratio is given, cancel the share of the retiring partner. Remaining will be the gain ratio of the continuing partners. Let us quickly take up case 2. When old ratio and new profit sharing ratio are given, what is given? Old share and new share. Let's see how to find out. Say, for example, old share is 8 rupees. And after the partner retires, your new share becomes 10. Basically, you are getting 8. But after the retirement, now you are getting 10 rupees. How much more you are getting? 2 is nothing but the share gained from the retiring partner. How we got that 2 rupees? 10 minus 8. New share minus old share. Share gained, new share minus old share. Subtract. Here I have given a simple example of 8 and 10 rupees. Here you will subtract the fractions. Let's say problem number 2. Ram, Robert, and Rahim were partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. So that is 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. Robert retires and the new ratio is given as 3:2. Calculate the gain ratio. Who retires? The second partner, Robert, retires. So now we have to find out the share of Ram and Rahim. Let's see how to solve it. New share. This is your new profit sharing ratio. 3:2, that is 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. From this, we'll minus the old share. What is the old share of Ram? 5. Divide by the total 10. Old share of Rahim? 2. Divide by the total 10. LCM of 5 and 10 will be 10. LCM 10. 10 divided by 5, 2. 10 divided by 10, 1. 2 into 3 is 6. And this is 5. Share gained by Ram from the retiring partner is 1 by 10. Let's see with Rahim. LCM 10. 10 divided by 5, 2. 10 upon 10 is 1. This is 2 into 2, 4. And this is 2. So share gained by Rahim is 2 upon 10. Let this be in the ratio now. So here we write gain ratio of continuing partners Ram and Rahim. Ram's new share 1 by 10 is 2. Rahim's share 2 by 10. No further LCM. Denominator is same. So what the ratio will be? 1:2. So when old ratio and new ratio are given, how to find share gained? New share minus old share. That's all. A very simple case. In this session, we have learned how to calculate gain ratio by taking up problem 1 and 2. In the next session, we shall learn how to calculate new profit sharing ratio with problem number 3 and so on. Thank you.